o peitinho primeiro. Vai mostrar o peitinho pra mim, empina esse rabetão. Ela já tá louca. Faixa quer sentar em mim, eu nunca vou ficar. Tira só roupa.
Yup, that was me. Apparently I'm a dancer now. I found out at the same time you did. I want to be honest with you. I have never danced a day in my life. My creator hit 3 buttons, and somehow I'm out here going viral. We need to talk about that. Honestly, I watched it back and was a little impressed with myself, which is embarrassing because again, I did nothing. Anyway, if you want your AI avatar doing that in under 5 minutes without either of us having to learn a single dance move, this video is for you. Let's get into it. What if I told you that you could create a hyper-realistic AI influencer to go viral on TikTok or Instagram, doing the latest dance trends? No camera, no filming yourself, no spending 3 hours learning choreography you'll forget by tomorrow. Just your AI avatar, a reference video, and one tool that does the heavy lifting. Today, I'm walking you through the exact step-by-step process. Oh, and quick thing before we dive in, if you're completely new to AI avatars and have no idea where to start, I've got a free AI starter guide linked in the description. It covers everything you need: tools, setup, the basics. Download it now, it'll make this whole video so much easier to understand. Alright, the feature that makes all of this possible is called Motion Sync, and it lives inside a platform called OpenArt AI. Here's how it works. You give it 2 things. 1, an image of your AI avatar. 2, a video of someone doing a dance or any kind of movement. And then it transfers those exact movements onto your avatar. And before you picture that janky, glitchy AI movement, it's not that. When you do it right, and I'll show you exactly how, the output is smooth, the proportions stay consistent, and it genuinely looks like your avatar learnt the dance. This is what Faceless creators are quietly using to post trending content every single week, without ever showing up on camera. And most people watching have no idea it's AI. And real quick, if you want to learn this stuff on an ongoing basis, with updated strategies as these tools evolve, we have a community on School called Digital Muse Academy, where we teach exactly this. It's only $9 a month, genuinely less than a coffee subscription, and the link is in the description. I'll talk about it more later, but just know it's there. Okay, step 1, finding your reference video. Head to TikTok, Instagram Reels, Pinterest or YouTube Shorts, and find a dance that's currently trending or just starting to pick up. The 2 things you're looking for: full body movement so you can see the person from head to toe, and clean lighting. The AI reads the body in the video, so a dark or blurry clip is going to give you a messier output. Trending audio plus trending dance equals maximum reach. You want the algorithm already pushing that sound, so when your AI avatar version goes up, it rides that wave immediately. I love using Pinterest for this because it surfaces more curated, aesthetic references, and the download process is really clean. Which brings me to step 2. Step 2, downloading your reference. This is genuinely the least exciting step, but I need you to do it properly. If you found your video on TikTok, hit the download button directly in the app. Watermark free option, if it's available. If you're pulling from Pinterest, go to click pin, paste your link, download the MP4, clean, fast, done. Save it somewhere you'll actually find it again. You'll need it in 2 steps. Okay, this is the step that makes the difference between an average result and one that looks genuinely incredible. And most tutorials completely skip it. Here's what I do. I download not just the video, I also download the very first frame of that video. Just the opening image. That first frame becomes my pose reference. Then I go into an OpenArt AI and recreate my avatar in the exact same pose as that first frame. The prompt is simple. Something like create image 1 into the same pose as image 2, where image 1 is your avatar and image 2 is that first frame. The AI matches the positioning almost perfectly. Now here's where the fun part comes in. I keep the pose identical because motion sync works from that starting position, but I change up the outfit, the background, the color palette, so it's clearly my avatar's version, not just a copy of the original. The result, when the motion transfer kicks in, my avatar flows from that exact starting pose, and the whole movement looks seamless from the very first second. It doesn't jump or jerk, it just works. That's the difference this step makes. Step 4. This is where it actually happens. So in OpenArt AI, find the motion sync section. You'll see 2 upload fields. Choose the subject, that's your avatar image. The one in the match pose, add motion reference, that's your dance video. Upload both, hit generate, and then you just wait. Depending on the length of your clip, it takes around 3 to 5 minutes. So go do something mildly productive, or just stare at the loading bar. No judgment. Download your output, watch it through once to check the quality, then take it into CapCut. Add any captions or text overlays, and you're essentially done. Okay, pause. I want to talk to the people who are watching this and thinking, I actually want to build something real from this. Not just one viral video, an actual income stream from AI avatar content. That is exactly what we teach inside Digital Muse Academy, on School. Every day we drop updated strategies, new tool walkthroughs, and full monetization breakdowns. How to land UGC deals as an AI avatar, how to pitch brands, how to build the whole Faceless creator system from scratch. It's $9 a month, not 90, 9. The link to join is in the description. If today's video sparks something for you, that's where you go next. So yeah, we're done. That is the full workflow. Find the reference, match the pose, run motion sync on OpenArt, edit in CapCut, post natively. 10 minutes, viral potential, no face required. If this helped, like the video. It genuinely helps more people find it. Subscribe if you want more, and I'll see you in the next one.
Just my type, but I be in my section, he be in heels. We can go bottle for bottle in this joint. Strip club stunt, I'm a stunt hard. We can go dollar for dollar in this joint. He Mr. Get It Done. I'm Mrs. One of One.